Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine and staying safe. Today we are going to study Science Workbook Class 5, Unit 2, Microorganisms, Health and Disease, page number 17. First question is, complete the chart of microorganisms and disease. So there is a chart given where we have to list all the microorganisms and the diseases caused by them. So as we have studied, there are 4 kinds of microorganisms: viruses, bacteria, protozoa and fungi. Below these microorganisms, a box is given for each of them in which we have to write 2 diseases caused by each microorganism. So 2 diseases caused by viruses are chickenpox and measles. 2 diseases caused by bacteria are typhoid and pneumonia. 2 diseases caused by protozoa are dysentery and diarrhea. 2 diseases caused by fungi are ringworm and athlete's foot. Next are short questions. Question number 1, how are fungi useful for human beings? Give 2 examples. So we have to state 2 uses of fungi. Number 1, they make soil fertile. How do they do that? They do that by decomposition. Next, they are used to make bread and some antibiotics. So these are 2 uses of fungi. So mostly bread and antibiotics are made by a fungus named yeast. Page number 18, question number 2, name 3 places where you can find bacteria: soil, human body and water. So these are the most common places where we can find bacteria. In human body, bacteria lives mainly in the digestive tract, where they are very beneficial to our digestive system. And water, we know that we boil water so we can get rid of all the harmful bacteria. Next, there is a list of 7 of the deadliest diseases. Deadliest means the diseases which cause most of the deaths: respiratory, diarrhea, tuberculosis, malaria, measles, hepatitis B and tetanus. Do you know which ones are preventable by vaccination? Have you had any vaccination? So here we have to state that which of these deadliest diseases can be prevented by vaccination, or for which diseases vaccinations are available today. So some respiratory diseases: tuberculosis, measles, hepatitis B and tetanus are preventable by vaccination. Vaccination for diarrhea and malaria are not yet prepared or are not very well known or easily available. So respiratory diseases, tuberculosis, measles, hepatitis B and tetanus are preventable. The next half of the question is, have you had any vaccination? So this part you can solve by taking help from your parents, that for which diseases you have been vaccinated, and you have to write that here. Tell me why. Why do I sneeze? Sneezing is an important part of the immune process, helping us to stay healthy. It protects our body by clearing the nose of bacteria and viruses. When something enters your nose, it sets off your sneeze center in your brain. जो sneezing है, it is very important in our immune process. How? जब हमारी बॉडी में कोई स्पेशली नोज़ में, जैसा कि हमने पढ़ा है कि माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स हमारी बॉडी में कैसे एंटर होते हैं, तो हमारी नोज़ से एंटर होते हैं जब हम ब्रीथ कर रहे होते हैं. तो जब हमारी नोज़ में बैक्टीरिया और वायरसेस एंटर होते हैं तो हमारे ब्रेन का जो स्नीज सेंटर है वो एक्टिवेट हो जाता है, और हमारी जो बॉडी है वो कंपेल करती है नोज़ को टू स्नीज in order to remove bacteria and viruses that have entered our body. So sneezing is very important for our immune process, as it helps us to stay safe from many bacterial and viral diseases by expelling those bacteria and viruses through sneezing. So that's all for today. Thank you.